Hey, greetings, people. My name is Ashafa Professor Mo Dominion. I want to use this medium to tell all my subscribers, all my followers, that I'll be having a tutorial class. I'll be teaching a lot of people things that they really want to understand about the spirituality. Okay, so in a nutshell, I want to be raising at least about 50 practicing spiritualists. Yes, I want to raise about 50 of them. So it's going to be a class. It's going to be a WhatsApp class. So I'll leave the WhatsApp number on the screen. You just write me and we get talking. God bless you. Remember, it's going to be a paid class, so but then it's not going to be that much, just 50 students, and I am okay. So do well. Once you get this video, write me so that you'll be included in the WhatsApp group, so that will get started immediately. The class is starting 15th of this month of December 2023. God bless you. Bye.